Dear guys, today we are going to study the third chapter of the second book. Second book, that is A Pact with the Sun. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. Supplementary reader, second book in English literature, अंग्रेजी साहित्य का English literature का second book, that is A Pact with the Sun. The name of the chapter is The Shepherd's Treasure. This is the name of the chapter. The Shepherd's Treasure. Just The Shepherd's Treasure, and the name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. Just we are going to learn about it. The Shepherd's Treasure. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. This is the story of a shepherd. Shepherd, that is गडेरिया, भेड़ बकरे जो मैनेज करता है, तो दैट इज ए शेफर्ड. गडेरिया, वन हु लुक्स आफ्टर ए वो sheep, भेड़. The shepherd's treasure. This is the title of this story. The shepherd's treasure. This is the story of a shepherd in Iran. A shepherd was there in Iran. This is the story of that person. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. ईरान में एक गरीब शेफर्ड रहता था. A poor shepherd lived in Iran. This is the story of that shepherd. उसी शेफर्ड की एक कहानी है. Though uneducated, he was not educated. He did not know how to write and speak note. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. He was not educated, but he was wise and helpful. Wise भी था, helpful भी था. The king decided to meet him in disguise. Hearing about his quality, about his wisdom, the king of that country decided to meet this shepherd. You see what happens? In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. A shepherd lived in a village in Iran. He was very poor. This shepherd was very poor. He was not rich. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had no cottage. Cottage, hut. उसके अपने पास घर भी नहीं था. No hut, no cottage. He had. उसके पास न झोपड़ी था, न घर था. He had never been to school. He had never gone to school. Never. He had never been to school. विद्यालय कभी नहीं गया था. Learned to read and write. He did not know how to read and write. How to read and write, he did not know. This shepherd did not know how to read and how to write. For there were very few schools in those days. In those days, very few schools were there. No schools, sufficient schools were there. Very few schools were there in those days. That is why this shepherd did not know how to read and how to write. पढ़ा लिखा नहीं था, uneducated था. Though, यद्यपि, he was poor and uneducated, this shepherd was uneducated and poor. But on the other hand, he was very wise. He was very wise. यह shepherd बहुत बुद्धिमान था, wise था, and also helpful. Understood people's sorrows and troubles. He knew what is the troubles and sorrows of people, and he always helped them. Helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. Courage and common sense. Courage and common sense, both. He helped those who were in problems. Those who were in troubles, he helped them with common sense and courage. Many people came to him. So many people came to him and put his problems before him, and he tried to solve it. And advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom. Soon, very soon, in a few days, this shepherd became famous for his wisdom. अपने ज्ञान के लिए प्रसिद्ध हो गया. The king of that country heard about his wisdom. उसके wisdom के बारे में उस देश का राजा सुना. How wise this shepherd is. Heard about him and thought of meeting him. The king decided, made up his mind to visit this shepherd who was so wise and helpful to others. disguised as a shepherd, disguised, that is changing appearance to conceal identity, अपने पहचान को छिपाने के लिए भेष बदल लेना. Disguised, the king disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule that is mule, that क्या होता है, that is male donkey or horse का ही वो offspring होता है. So that is riding on mule. One day the king came to the cave where the shepherd lived. उस गुफा के पास आया जहाँ वह shepherd रहता था. कौन आया? The king wanted to meet him. Why? Because he had heard how wise this shepherd was. कितना बुद्धिमान था ये shepherd. That's why he came to visit. He came to meet this shepherd who was so wise. Shepherd lived where shepherd lived. That is, the king, being disguised, came there. As soon as the shepherd saw, ज्यों ही the shepherd saw a man was coming, एक जो आदमी आ रहा था, a traveler coming towards the cave. As soon as ज्यों ही the shepherd saw, देखा, a traveler who was coming towards his cave, उसके गुफा की ओर आ रहा था. He rose to welcome him. He greeted him. He welcomed him. उसका स्वागत किया. He took the tired traveler inside the cave. The shepherd took the tired traveler inside the cave. गुफा के अंदर ले गया. Gave him water to drink and share of his own meagre meal. What he had as food item, he gave him water to drink and also food to eat. And the king rested for a night in the cave. The king rested there in shepherd's cave. shepherd की गुफा में राजा आराम किया whole night. And was then greatly impressed to see the wisdom of the shepherd. shepherd की wisdom, hospitality को देखकर, आतिथ्य को देखकर बहुत impress हुआ, बहुत प्रभावित हुआ. And shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation, how he was talking wisely. The shepherd was talking wisely and how he welcomed the traveler. That's why the king impressed very much, too much. This is the first part of this lesson. Next part I will tell you in the next video. Okay.